Baked Honey Mustard Salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 1 pound or 450 grams, 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, honey, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius. 2. In a bowl, whisk together honey, Dijon mustard, and olive oil. 3. Place salmon on a baking sheet. Brush with the honey mustard mixture. Season with salt and pepper. 4. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until salmon flakes easily. Serve with lemon wedges.